First, you need to pull the armrest up, and then start the engine. This button controls the extension and retraction of the tracks. When the button is in this position, pressing the left pedal will not cause the tracks to extend or retract. Once the button is pressed, stepping on the left pedal will control the extension and retraction of the tracks. Pressing the left pedal forward extends the chassis outwards. Pressing the left pedal backwards retracts the chassis. This button controls the excavator's forward speed. When the button is in this position, the excavator's forward speed will increase. When the button is in this position, the excavator cannot turn. When you want to control the excavator's direction, you need to retract the tracks. You can only control the excavator to turn after adjusting the button to this position.